there was an interaction between Advocate Baloyi and Mr. Gwabini.
Mr.
There was an interaction between the witness and the state prosecutor.
Mr.
The witness in the
Yes.
Yes, that's Gwabini.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Zungu.
Mr. Zungu.
Yeah, okay.
And during that interaction, there was an issue about a red VW Polo motor vehicle that was allegedly from the witness driven by Mohani during his arrest. And
Right.
Mr. Baloyi put a proposition to the effect that on the 4th of June 2020, that motor vehicle was involved in an accident. Therefore, it's not possible that it was present when the witness was arrested, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, then we went to the records and the transcripts of the 29th of November during the examination of Mr. Gininda
Yeah.
by the prosecutor, where Mr. Gininda clearly says regarding the incident of Mr. Ntanzi says, on the 19th of June 2020, Ms. Mohola indeed was not issued with a white BMW, but she was driving a red VW Golf that she used to transport accused number 1 to Tembisa Court. So that proposition that the motor vehicle was damaged by the 4th and by the 19th it was still not mobile cannot be true, my lord.
Mr. Baloyi?
Well, the evidence will have to be looked in its context. It could mean that what Brigadier Gininda is saying, that is the car that is usually driven by her. But we'll have a look at that, my lord.
Yeah, can you
the
both
record will speak for itself.
Can you both check the record?
Yes.
Unfortunately, my lord, I cannot refer it because it's the
No,
record
fine. I'm just saying.
on my face. But
No,
it's the
ju-
record.
Yeah, no. When I say the record,
Yes.
just bring a transcript of the record.
Yes.
Okay, please.
We'll have a look at it, my lord.
Okay.
Ngaphambi kokuthi siqaleke ubabula Msipile beveza ke udaba lokuthi izolo ke bekuye kwabakhona ke inkulumo ebakhona phakathi komshushisi naye ke umnumzana uGwabeni la umshushisi ashilo ke khona ukuthi ngey4 ngokubufakazi ke phambi kwenkantolo ngey4 leya moto ebomvu leya nake yayithole ingozi okusho ukuthi ke kwangeke kwenzeke ukuthi bekhona ngenkathi ufakazi noma ke umnumzana uGwabeni eboshwe. Isuyabuya ke manje babula Msipile uthi uhambile ke wayobheka ke wathola ke ubona ke ubufakazi bange-29 zika November la kwakufakaza khona uBrigadier Gininda la asho khona ke ukuthi ngey-19 zika June kuwona ke unyaka ka2020 imoto eyayishayelwa umuhula kwakuyi-Golf ebomvu. Inkantolo isithi ke manje kuzofanele bobabili ke bahambe bayobheka ukuthi yikuphi ekuyikona phakathi kwaloku ke abakushoyo.
Okay, thanks.
This is the court, my lord.
Yeah, but-
I think this issue can be put at rest now because the state's got those records readily available. They can print it. That information it can be read into a record. That is what they normally do.
Yeah, fine.
Thank you.
Well, we are of the view that the portion that Mr. Ramsipil is referring to is the same portion that we referred to yesterday, wherein Brigadier Gininda testified that he, as the commander of the unit, issued the red Golf in question to Sergeant Mkhola. It's in the same page. We're just trying to play that. Well, what we have here, my lord, says the same information that we placed on record yesterday, 29 November 2023, page 3, and we'll just read the entire page from the
29 November 2023.
2023. So
Right.
we'll start from page 2,
Page 2.
line 23, Brigadier Gininda. Okay, my lord. That is not true. First of all, I would want to answer from the 19th moving backwards. So on the 19th June, my lord, it is incorrect that there was such an incident because Sergeant Mukhola, I want to start with her. She was taking, I think, accused 1 to court, and the charge sheet, the defense is in possession of the charge sheet insofar as a drug-related matter. So that morning, she booked the accused from Valeria to Tembisa Court, and then the accused was taken back on that specific day on the 19th of June 2020. The defense, my lord, is also in possession of the relevant entry books, OB entries that confirm that accused 1 was booked from the police station for court purposes and back. The time is clearly indicated that there, on that specific day, my lord, she was not issued at that stage with a BMW. She was driving a red VW GTI, which was the car that was issued by me as a commander for her utilization. Furthermore, my lord, I was not with her on that specific day. This passage, my lord, is
So
as
it
we
must be
mentioned, it can be interpreted that on that day she was driving the GTI, or that she normally drives the GTI that he, as a commander of the unit, issued her with, my lord. But
yeah, fine, but the evidence
we can scrutinize the
Mukhola.
record in its entirety, just to try and give a proper interpretation.
No objection, man. What is it that needs to be interpreted here? Because the record is simply saying on that day, Mukhola was driving a red VW GTI that was issued by Gininda when he, for her utilization on a daily purposes. On that day, she utilized that red VW GTI to transport accused number 1 from Valeria to Tembisa Magistrate Court for his appearance. So what is it that needs to be interpreted there?
No, what's important for me,
Yes.
I want the evidence of Mukhola, where she says that car was involved in an accident at Messina, and it was a write-off. Remember that evidence?
Yes.
I want that page, okay?
But then comes Brigadier Gininda, who says on the 19th.
Now let's get the other page, because now we're arguing at cross purposes. The driver of the vehicle, as I remember, said it was written off in an accident in Messina, and she gave a date. So let's get that portion of the evidence. Okay, fine. Let's continue.
And my lord, we have quoted the passage on page 2 where Brigadier Gininda says, I would want to answer from the 19th moving backwards. The page that we referred to yesterday about the accident, we'll print it just now, my lord. It's the 22nd of November 2023. And page 26. And we've quoted the passages that refers to the fact that they attended to an investigation in Carltonville on the 18th of June. And at that stage, they were using a white Golf, so she couldn't have used the red Golf on the 19th of June, my lord. It's just, I think.
I'm sorry, my lord, with due respect. The court has made a ruling. Let us look at the evidence of the driver, which is Moholo, not the interpretation
Yes.
by my learned colleague. My lord.
Okay.
That's not precise.
We will once again put the contents of the record of the 22nd of November 2023 on record, page 26, starting from line 20. This is Mr. Mgomezulu. What was the last time you saw accused number 2 after this? Then line 21. The following day, my lord, 18 June, at Carltonville, where he said he used to work, Mr. Mgomezulu. So on the 18th, was it the last day, the first and the last time you saw accused number 2? Specifically on the 18th, witness. My lord, I saw him again on the 19th, Mr. Mgomezulu. No, I was referring to the 18th, the time frame you saw him in Carltonville. After that, on the 18th, you did not meet accused number 2. Response by the witness, Sergeant Mokola. No, my lord, I did not see him, Mr. Mgomezulu. All right. On that particular day, who was driving, or were you driving a motor vehicle? Witness. That is correct, my lord. Mr. Mgomezulu, what car was it? Witness, Sergeant Mokola, it was Golf 7, my lord. Mr. Mgomezulu, what color was it? Witness, white in color, my lord. Mr. Mgomezulu, do you remember the registration number? No, my lord. How long have you been driving that motor vehicle? Witness, just after, my lord, we had an accident coming from Musina. I think it was just after 4 June, Mr. Mgomezulu. So in Carltonville, you were driving this Golf 7. Witness, Sergeant Fuller, that is correct, my lord, a white Golf. And Mr. Mgomezulu says, according to the logbook, it will reflect the registration numbers. The witness says only the SAPS number. However, my lord, on the statement given about the AVL, the car is also included, so the registration will be there, my lord. And it goes on, Mr. Mgomezulu. So it was also fitted with a tracking device. Says we can refer, my lord, to the AVL report. Mr. Mgomezulu, okay. This is the second time, the 17th and 18th. The third time is 19th June. And the witness, Sergeant Mokola, says the third time is 19th June. Whereabout? Then Mr. Mgomezulu, on the 19th June, did you meet accused 2? The witness, Pukem Police Station, my lord. Says you never met accused 2 in Soweto. Says no, my lord. Mr. Mgomezulu, on the 19th, you are still driving the same vehicle, and the witness says that is correct, my lord. So that is the context in which we put the proposition, and I think.
Why don't we find out from the government garage whether that car is still functional?
Yes.
Why don't you both do it? Because you know the registration number, you know the
Yes.
date.
Yes, we can also,
Yeah.
from our side, just get the repair authorizations
Yeah,
for the red Golf.
That's it, please. Mr. Ramasipidi, you do the same, okay?
My lord, I do not have the resources to do that. The state has.
No, you just write a letter. Write a letter to the government garage.
Then tell me, my lord, try to get.
No, I can make an order. Fine.
That's fine. That's what this is saying.
Right, sir.
Kulo daba ke ekhulunywa ngalo noma ke engavunyelana ngalo mayelana nale moto emhlophe nalena ke ebomvu umshushisi ufunda ke kubufakazi bange-22 kaNovember 2023 kuyena ke upage 26 uqala ukufunda ke kuyena uline 20 lana ke inkulumo phakathi kwamnumzana uMngomezulu kanye nofakazi ke ufakazi ngalelo langa kwakuyena uSergeant Mukhola baba uMngomezulu ugcina kwakho ukubona umsolo wesibini kwakunini emva kwalokho ufakazi uSergeant Mukhola ngelanga elilandelayo inkosi enkantolo 18 zikaJune eCarltonville la asitshela noma asho ukuthi ke usebenza khona ubaba uMngomezulu ukusho ukuthi ngazo i18 kwakuyilanga lokugcina elokuqala kwakunye futhi ke nolokugcina ubona umsolo wesibili ikakhulukazi ke ngazo i18 ufakazi inkosi enkantolo ngambona futhi ngazo i19 baba uMngomezulu cha bengikhuluma nge18 mina isikhathi wambona eCarltonville emuva ke kwi18 awuhlangananga futhi nomsolo wesibili ufakazi cha inkosi enkantolo angizange ngimbone noma angimbonanga baba uMngomezulu kulungileke ngalelo langa lelo ubani owayeshayela noma wawuhamba ngemoto ufakazi yebo kunjalo inkosi enkantolo baba uMngomezulu yipi imoto nanihamba ngayo ufakazi kwakuyi Gold 7 inkosi enkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu umbala wayo wawunjani ufakazi yayimhlophe ngombala inkosi enkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu usayikhumbula ke i-registration yayo imoto leyo ufakazi cha inkosi enkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu sekunesikhathi singakanani ke ushayela leyo moto leyo ufakazi nje emuva kwalokho inkosi enkantolo sathola ingozi uma sasibuya eMusina ngicabanga ukuthi kwakusemuva kwazo i4 zikaJune baba uMngomezulu okusho ukuthi eCarltonville wawuhamba ngayo leyo Golf 7 leyo ufakazi yebo kuyiqiniso inkosi enkantolo iGolf emhlophe baba uMngomezulu ngokwezincwadi ke zamaphoyisa izotshengisa yini noma izoyiveza yini ke i-registration yayo imoto ufakazi inamba ke yamaphoyisa kodwa ke inkosi enkantolo kwistatement esinikezwe iyona ke i-AVL imoto leyo ke iyafakwa noma ke isekhona ke okusho ukuthi ke nayo ke inamba noma registration yayo izoba khona lapho okusho baba uMngomezulu kusho ukuthi ke itracker yayinayo imoto leyo singabheka ke noma singabuka umbiko wayo iAVL okay okufuthi ke isihlandla lesibili ke ngazo i17 ne18 isihlandla lesithathu yi19 ufakazi isihlandla lesithathu kungeyi19 kuphi nendawo baba uMngomezulu nahlangana naye ngeyi19 umsolo wesibili ufakazi ke epolice station yasephukeni kosenkantolo awukaze uhlangane nomsolo wesibili eSoweto ufakazi cha baba uMngomezulu ngeyi19 wawusahamba ngayo ngaleyo moto leyo yebo kuyiqiniso.
Okay, thanks.